When understanding electrons, protons, and neutrons, a basic atom consists of infinitesimal particles, known as electrons, protons, and neutrons. All matter consists of one or more of these basic components. The simplest atom is that of hydrogen, which has one electron and one proton. For simplicity's sake, hydrogen is used to show such components. There are atoms that have more than one electron and one proton. For example, the structure of an oxygen atom has 8 protons, 8 neutrons, and 8 electrons. The protons and neutrons from the nucleus of the atom have electrons revolving around the nucleus in orbits varying in shape from an ellipse to a circle. For example, electrons can be compared to the planets as they revolve around the Sun. It must be understood that a positive charge is carried by each proton, no charge is carried by the neutrons, and a negative charge is carried by each electron. The charges carried by the electron and the proton are equal, but opposite in nature. Therefore, an atom, which has an equal number of protons and electrons, is electrically neutral. Notice, the charge carried by the electrons is balanced by the charge carried by the protons. It is imperative to understand that an atom carries two opposite charges, and they are as follows. A positive charge in the nucleus, and a negative charge in each electron. Therefore, when the charge of the nucleus is equal to the combined charges of the electrons, the atom is neutral. However, if the atom has a shortage of electrons, it is positively charged. Notice, if the atom has an excess of electrons, it is negatively charged. A positively charged atom is called a positive ion, and a negatively charged atom is called a negative ion. Molecules that are charged are also called ions. The illustration shows the components of hydrogen, which has one electron and one proton. The other illustration shows a diagram of an oxygen atom, which has 8 protons, 8 neutrons, and 8 electrons.